Hey, Chris here from Big Buck Outdoors. So we're on our way to another shedding mission. It's some new land, it's a new area, so we're just gonna take it step by step and see what's going on. From what I heard, there's some really big buck up here. A buddy of mine took 3 out of here in the last 3 years, and they were monsters. So I've never hunted it. We're gonna go look for some sheds today, and hopefully we come up with something decent. So we're about to leave the sheets now, head to the spot, and once we get to the spot, I'll be back with y'all. Thanks for tuning in. Alright, so we're in the woods right now, about to go and do some shed hunting. New area. So we're gonna head up this hill and see what's going on with my buddy Brad. Brad, say what's up to the camera.
What's up, guys?
Yeah. See if we can get something in the bag today. So this is a new area for me. This is Brad's backyard. We're gonna keep it a secret, obviously, but he's gotten a few nice ones out of here. So we're gonna see what we can come up with. That was heavy right there.
I found a shed in here last year. First day I went out for a walk.
Oh yeah.
First one I ever found.
Damn. We got tricked the other day, man. We were sitting there, and my buddy got tricked with a stick. I got tricked with a stick. I'm like, man, this is, what the hell?
Yeah, you gotta. I stepped right over it.
Right.
I was like, stood there looking around, and I was like, oh shit.
Was it a nice one?
Yeah.
8?
Yeah, it was decent.
Man, they run this trail hard as hell.
Yeah. So you still filming? You still filming?
Gonna do a skull. Here's the rest of them. Let's keep walking. Let's do it. You got that new farm I was telling you about. We were just scouting it, and should have seen how many dead deer we came upon that people probably shot and lost.
Yeah.
Coyotes ripped them to shreds, man. The one was a buck. Someone cut its antlers off. I think we came past like 3 or 4 of them. They were just like nothing but fur.
Yeah. I've seen 2 nice coyotes up here. One came running right under my stand from this way. Came down this way. Well, it was down below. I thought it was somebody's dog.
I'd have shot him.
I couldn't get my dog off fast enough. Like, he was fucking
Gone.
right under me. I was like, God damn it.
That looks nice there. They come down right there.
Yeah, so that dude's shed is right there. Straight up the hill.
Oh yeah.
He would put apples on sticks. Sticking in the ground. And then when they walked over to him, he fucking blasted.
Some people, man.